Hello everyone, I'm happy to meet you. Today we will delve into the world of oranges. They are not only delicious but also have a refreshing essence. Do you like to eat this fruit on tired days? Just eating one fruit can bring a feeling of freshness and provide more energy. I have discovered many useful benefits from citrus fruits, and if you are curious and want to know, we'll explore the fascinating process of how oranges are harvested and turned into delicious juice. You'll also see the world's most advanced mechanical cam processing, so let's get started. Planting the seeds is the initial stage in developing a new citrus tree. The seeds are chosen from reliable vendors, sterilized, fungicide-treated, and dehydrated beforehand. The seeds are next put in germination rooms, which are designed to provide the best possible environmental conditions for the germination of seeds. It is crucial to regulate and keep an eye on the temperature, humidity, and light levels in these rooms. After the seeds germinate into young plants, they are transferred outside and planted individually in trays. When seedlings are around 20 centimeters tall, they are moved into planting bags and remain there until they are in the orchard. When the tree reaches a height of about 50 centimeters and a diameter of about 8 millimeters, the branch of the variety we want to grow is grafted onto the root. Combining two different tree varieties helps increase fruit quality and helps the tree grow and adapt well to the environment. After 3 weeks, the farmer removes the bandage from the grafted node and cuts off the top of the tree so that nutrients can be concentrated into the grafted node for growth. Properly staked trees are more likely to grow straight, which is important for their long-term structure and fruit-bearing capacity. Also, straight growth also facilitates easier management and harvesting in the future. It takes around 12 to 14 months from seed to standard compliant tree ready for planting. Once orange trees are planted, they will bear fruit for 30 years, so the layout and design of the orchard must be decided before planting. After preparing the land, farmers will plant trees. Prepare the soil to a depth of about 60 centimeters so that the soil is well drained but moist enough and the roots are not damp. According to 2021 statistics in the state of Florida, there are about 74 citrus varieties grown on 569,000 acres. Most citrus varieties are grown in the U.S. states of Florida and California. Take 3 to 5 years to be harvested. During this time, farmers need to take meticulous care for the plants to grow well. Young plants need regular watering, especially during dry periods. Once the plants are more mature, they are moderately drought tolerant, but benefit from consistent moisture. Probiotics are also used to prevent aphids and pests from attacking plants. Especially during the flowering period, it attracts many harmful insects. In addition, pruning orange tree branches helps better air circulation and sunlight reach the inner parts of the tree, reducing the risk of infection. Regular pruning contributes to the overall health and longevity of the orange tree by reducing stress, improving nutrient absorption, and promoting strong growth. Late January and early February is the time when orange trees in Florida begin to bloom, and it takes about 6 months to have the first harvest. Before harvesting, farmers begin preparations by ensuring that harvesting equipment such as ladders, pruning poles, scissors, or harvest baskets are in good condition and ready for use. Each year when the harvest takes place, about 18,000 workers are hired to work on citrus farms across the United States. Did you know that a single orange tree can produce up to 600 oranges in a year? Supervisors need to make sure that pickers are following best practices and selecting fruit that has not been damaged or injured during harvest. The supervisor must then ensure the fruit is safely delivered and removed from the premises. Whether you are gathering fruit for the local market or for export, the fruit must be picked correctly. After returning to the factory, expose the fruit to ethylene gas in a degreening room for a specific period of time until the desired color is achieved. Fruit enters the packaging line and is washed in a water bath containing disinfectant. Oranges following the conveyor belt will be classified and waxed to increase storage and use time, then packaged and exported. Next, let's take a look at the factory that produces this timeless favorite of all ages. This factory uses the world's most advanced mechanical orange processing process, which can produce millions of bottles of orange juice every day. How do you feel about the process of growing, harvesting, and processing oranges in this video? Let us know what you think in the video's comments section. Goodbye, and see you again in the next video.